Hello, hi. This is Leo from Bonjour Solar. And then now more and more people they need the commercial solar system, commercial energy storage system. So now today I give you a general idea of one of our solar energy storage system for the commercial project. For example, for hotel, for hospital, for small government residential and something like that. So for this system, you can see, in fact, we have two parts. This part we call AC part. This part we call the DC. We can say this is the DC part. So or we can say this is the battery part. So two sides. We give you a general idea about this system. From here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We can see 11 pack of the lithium battery. We use the LiFePO4 lithium cells inside. In fact, one of the pack inside, there are 24 pieces of the lithium cells. Of course, now we cannot see inside the lithium cells, but we use the most stable lithium cells. It's 200 mAh lithium cells. Some of the products now they use 280. Some of them they use the 300 mAh. But now we design this system. We think that most important for this system is the stable. So we use the most stable lithium cells at 200 mAh. So inside there are 24 pieces, 200 mAh. And we have 11 pieces. So totally, there are 264 pieces lithium cells inside. And then from here, we can give you a general presentation of each pack. So of course, we can see now this is the positive, this is the negative. So from the color, we can see positive, negative, very simple. And then these two are the defense, because there are 24 pieces of lithium cells inside. So when they are charging, when they are discharging, there's some heating inside. So for the heat sink is very important. So that means there are many heat air inside. So we can see there are two pieces fan here. These two pieces fan, we can send the hot air from the pack to outside. So this is the fan function. Of course, if we turn off the both doors, that means there are many hot air here. So don't worry about that. We have the air conditioner upstairs. We have the AC upstairs to control the, because there are many, of course, there are many hot air here after the fan. So we have AC outdoor upstairs, so can control the temperature inside. Some of the other design like the telecommunication base station, they use the AC. They make the AC beside the system. For example, like this way, this area. But we design this system. We make the AC upstairs. Why we design like this? Because we think if we design the air conditioner upstairs, that will be more easy to make the transportation. For when you make the loading, when you make the transportation. If we make a DC here, it will be more simple for the transportation. Before, over there, sometimes, or even like this area, if we make the AC here, it's not easy for the transportation. So this is our design. Okay, so positive, negative fan, and the whole AC. Of course, we have the communication. You can see here the green color. This is communication. That means we can communicate from the first battery pack to the last battery pack. And then finally, we can very simple to see here all the lithium pack. They are connecting in series. So you can see from here, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and negative. So all of them are in series. So we can simply calculate the whole total voltage of the system. So for example, one base is 24 volts, right? So the rated voltage of each lithium cells is 3.2 volts. So one of these is 3.2 volts times 24. So totally, it's a 3.2 volts times 264. So the total voltage of this battery packet will be 844.8. It's very difficult to calculate, but we already calculated. It's 844.8 volts. So that means the total voltage of this battery packet is 844.8 volts. And the total capacity of this battery is 174 kilowatt hour. 174 kilowatt hour for this capacity. So some of the system now, they make like 200 kilowatt hour. Some of them, they make like 150 kilowatt hour. But our system, we make 174 kilowatt hour because we use the 200 amp hour lithium cells. Okay, so this one is the high voltage isolator box. We call in China, this one is the high voltage isolator box because it's about 800 volts something here. So we need to use a very safe box to isolate the voltage, the current. So we need to use a very professional isolator to cut or connect the high voltage system. Okay, from this area, very clear. And one more thing, we can see the red color here. There is a special protection, firefighting. We call it firefighting protection system here to protect the system when, just in case of there's some heating, some fire. We can say some fire here. So this is firefighting system. Okay, from this area, this is the AC part. We call it AC part. Okay, so it will be very simple. I will give you a general presentation of this AC part. Here is the EMS. In China, we call EMS, Energy Management System. Okay, EMS, Energy Management System. So this is the whole control system for the energy, for the distribution. For example, the energy distribution, the energy information, the voltage, the current, all the information of the battery, we can check here, and we can control also here. Okay, so this is for the communication. We call it communication because there are 11 packs, so we need to communicate 11 and some other device. Okay, so this area is for the we call the breaker. The breaker, or we can say this is the distribution protection. So this is the safety part, safety breakers, and some of the information also. Some of the device here is 24 volts. Some of the device here is AC 220 volts. And downstairs, this is slider. So slider, very famous slider. We use this one slider is for the UPS because when there is no AC, because some of the area the AC is not stable. Some of the area there are sometimes some power off sometimes. So when there is no AC input, that means it's possible we cannot connect, we cannot use the device, AC device here. So we have 1.6 kilowatt UPS here, just in case of the power off, the AC power off, we mean. So this is the UPS for the safety, the double safety. And downstairs, this module, we can say this is the DC-DC module. In fact, in the solar system, in the solar industry, we call it MPPT because now there is no people to use the PWM. Most of us use the MPPT. MPPT, that means the solar panel outside. We connect the solar panel and then connect the battery. We use the solar panel to charge the battery. So we say MPPT module or DC-DC module. So this is 30 kilowatt. That means we can connect 30 kilowatt solar panel outside. If you use the 550 watt solar panel, you can calculate how many pieces solar panel you can connect. Of course, we can give you the suggestion also later. Okay, so this last one, the big one is 100 kilowatt PCS. Okay, the PCS, sometimes in the solar system we will say inverter, but in the commercial system we can call it PCS. It will be more professional because PCS is double way, AC DC or DC AC. So two ways conversion. We can say conversion, two ways conversion. So it's 380 volt, three phases. So we call it three phases PCS, 100 kilowatt. This is the whole system, and then we can control not only from the LCD, but also we can control remote from the internet. So right now we are going to show you from the internet. If we want to control, if we want to turn on the system, or if we want to cut off the system. So please help us to make a test. So now, so in fact we can test here also. We can also test by our computer. So we can connect the website, and then now we can control from the system. So please tell us to show the function of the system. So for example, now if we want to output 10 kilowatt from this system, so we enter the confirm. So now confirm once again in Chinese, of course. We can change in English also, but now we get in Chinese. So now we turn on 10 kilowatt output. So 1 second. 1 second. So we show you. So now you can see the light is turned on green, and then you can hear some noise, some sounds from the whole system. That means our loading is functioning. So the system is running. We output 10 kilowatt. Is that 10 kilowatt, right? We output 10 kilowatt from this system. Output 10 kilowatt. So now the system is running. Everything is running, and without problem. Of course, we can also turn off the system from the computer. So it's the same control. So it will be very simple and very smart, and we can control it from remote, so very carefully. Okay, so this is our today. I'm Leo from BONJOUR SOLAR, and for the commercial system, this is something very complicated, and this is something very professional. I think now more and more countries they face to the problem of the lack of electricity, or sometimes the power is not stable. So I think now for the commercial systems, it's very important for some of the area, and some of the people, as we see, some of the people, they use the low voltage system to make the big capacity of the power, but in fact there is no high efficiency. According to our experience, the high voltage DC battery system is more efficiency than the low voltage 48 volt 51.2 volt. So we recommended you to use this commercial energy system. One more function we want to show you is this one. We can connect this one not only from the solar panel, but also we can connect this system to the diesel generator. But what that means? That means that if the solar panel is not enough, you can also connect the diesel generator to support the energy to this system. So I will show you. We have a diesel generator over there, like that one over there. So that one is the diesel generator. So if the power is not enough from TV, we can connect also that one diesel generator. Okay, so thank you so much today, and this is Leo from Bonjour Solar. And then if you need more information for our commercial system, you can contact us and then contact me from www.bonjoursolar.com. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.